Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CCleaner safely on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. In the address bar, type www.ccleaner.com and press enter. Wait for the CCleaner homepage to load completely. Once the page is loaded, look for the download button prominently displayed. Click on the download button. A new page may open, or a download option might appear. If prompted, select the free version of CCleaner for basic cleaning. Click on the download button again, which may also indicate the version you are downloading. Your browser may ask where to save the file. Choose a location that is easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder. After selecting a location, click Save to start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Locate the CCleaner setup file, which should be named something like setup.exe. Double-click the setup file to begin the installation. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow changes to your device. The CCleaner installation wizard will open. Carefully read through the terms and conditions, then click Accept if you agree. On the next screen, choose whether you want to create a shortcut for CCleaner on your desktop. Then, click Install to start the installation. The installation may take a few moments to complete. Once it's finished, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Run CCleaner to open the program immediately after the installation. You are now ready to begin using CCleaner to clean and optimize your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.